Welcome to yet another video. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video to watch a clip that will keep you at the edge of your seat. In this chilling and enigmatic clip, the veil of darkness conceals the true story that unfolds before our eyes. As the clock strikes 4 a.m., a woman, consumed by anguish, approaches the front door of a house. Her face etched with tears and desperation, her cries pierced the stillness of the night. What unspeakable torment has brought her to this doorstep? What tragic events have unfolded in her life? With every sob, a haunting mystery unravels, beckoning us to uncover the truth. The uploader of this perplexing clip remains perplexed themselves, as they have no knowledge of the woman's identity or the events that transpired. Eager to shed light on the mysterious encounter, they promptly forwarded the footage to the authorities. However, the woman's identity continues to elude them. The distressing nature of the video is undeniable, warranting serious consideration. As we delve into the enigma, questions arise. Why was she wandering barefoot in the dead of night, evoking an air of secrecy? What could have compelled such peculiar behavior? I invite you to share your theories and insights in the comments below, as we collectively attempt to unravel the truth behind this perplexing incident. In this heart-pounding clip, a powerful reminder awaits as we witness a startling incident that underscores the importance of vigilance when approaching our homes during the dark hours.
Como pra fora. Oh, don't move. Don't scare, don't.
Okay.
In this intriguing clip, we are transported to a perplexing scene where a mysterious man finds himself at his neighbor's doorstep, unleashing a relentless assault in the dead of night. The motive behind his actions remains shrouded in uncertainty, leaving us questioning his intentions and the peculiar circumstances that led to this unsettling encounter.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
In this captivating clip, we are presented with a peculiar encounter that unfolds at the doorstep of a vigilant homeowner. A man, donning an air of authority, attempts to assume the role of a police officer. However, unbeknownst to him, his actions are meticulously captured by a vigilant Ring doorbell camera. As the realization dawns upon him that his charade has been exposed, he retreats from the scene with haste.
Police! Oh shit, I'm in the wrong room.
In this intriguing clip, we find ourselves witnessing a rather bizarre and unsettling sight. A random man, under the cover of darkness, brazenly approaches a home and begins engaging in a peculiar activity, sniffing the shoes left outside. His actions raise numerous questions and leave us wondering about his motives and intentions. What drives someone to engage in such behavior? What could possibly be the significance behind this unusual act? In this unsettling clip, we are presented with a distressing incident caught on home security footage. A random intruder boldly enters a man's car, seemingly searching for something of value. However, upon finding nothing of interest, the intruder's actions take an unexpected turn. With a mischievous intent, he proceeds to pour water across the car's dashboard and radio, leaving behind a puzzling act of vandalism. What drives someone to carry out such senseless destruction? Leave your theories down below. Thank you for joining me in this intriguing journey through captivating moments captured on camera. If you found this video fascinating, you won't want to miss the videos presented to you over here. I have plenty of chilling doorbell content, filled with suspense and unexpected twists. Stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more creepy content coming your way.